Hi, and welcome. In this video, we'll look at the Key Performance Indicators API in Acuity. First, let's log into Acuity to get some necessary information. To obtain the IP address and API token, first log into Acuity. From there, click on the Config dropdown. Next, click Integrations and External APIs. In the Focus Cloud Platform API, you'll find the WAN IP address. Make note of this to use in your API. Scrolling down on the bottom right-hand corner, you'll find the API token. Click on the blue View button to see the API token. After you've made note of the token, you can hide the token by hitting the button again. Now that we have these two important parameters, next, let's learn more about the API URL. The Daily KPIs endpoint provides access to daily key performance indicators for solar power generation projects. It allows users to retrieve data on specified projects, variables, and devices within a defined date range. This data helps in monitoring and analyzing the performance of solar installations over time. To effectively use the API, it's crucial to understand the components of the URL and how to construct requests. Below is a breakdown of the URL structure. The protocol specifies the communication protocol used to interact with the server, in this case, HTTPS. Next, you can use the WAN IP address found in Acuity or the proxy URL. If using the WAN IP address, you also need to use the port number. This specifies a specific endpoint on the server for network communications. Port 8443 is often used for HTTPS traffic, especially when the standard HTTPS port 443 is not available or is being used for another purpose. The path is an API endpoint that provides access to daily key performance indicators, or KPIs, related to solar power generation. This endpoint allows users to retrieve data for specified projects, variables, and devices within a specified time range. By sending a POST request to this endpoint with appropriate parameters, users can obtain detailed information about solar power generation, including metrics such as total PV generation, installation, sunrise and sunset times, and device-specific data. To test the API, you can make an initial call using tools like Postman. A successful response typically includes a status code indicating success and the requested data in the response body. The sample request demonstrates how to access the Daily Key Performance Indicators endpoint. For the request method, select Post from the drop-down menu. Then enter the API endpoint URL. Next, navigate to the Body tab and choose the Raw option. In the text area, enter a JSON request body formatted as seen below. This allows you to specify the desired projects, variables, and devices for retrieving daily KPIs within the specified date range. A sample output is provided to illustrate the format and content of a successful API response. The Acuity user manual has a full description of the JSON body format and each response parameter. This is an overview of the Daily Key Performance Indicators API in Acuity.